I thought it would be really nice to do a video, as it seems to be one of the more popular skills, shoot the duck. Or, as we call it sometimes in the UK, a teapot.
Ooh, cup of tea.
I'm going to break this skill down into 4 sections. And the first section, as usual, is going to be on the grass, because it's nice and soft and very forgiving, because you probably will fall the first few times you do this. The first thing you need to do is to try and touch your toes, because that's a really good way to start getting down. This skill goes against everything that I say, because you're putting all your weight behind you. So your bottom or your seat is behind your back wheels, which is going to automatically pull you backwards. So you're going to have to really pull forwards to keep the weight balanced. Now there's the sweet spot, which you will have to learn. And until that happens, you're likely to do that quite a few times. So the grass is a really, really good place to start this skill. A good way to do this is to hold on to the front of your skate. And that will help you pull yourself forward to counteract the weight that's going back. And just slowly, slowly go down. Now, the key to this is to keep tension in your shins and in your core. So you're really holding yourself. And it's a really awkward position to get into, especially with knee pads on. But make sure you wear them, because if you put the toe stop in forwards when you're doing this, you need somewhere to bail to, and knee pads are very good for that. Once you've got the crouch position, you need to feel the change of weight or the shift of weight to one foot or the other. You can do either foot, whichever feels more comfortable, to be able to release the weight from one so you can lift it in front. So whilst you're down here, you need to put all the weight on one foot so you can free one up to put out in front of you. Once you've got your confidence and the balance point on the grass, it's time to try it moving. Let's go. With roller skating, it's easier to have that little bit of speed, but not too much that it ruins your confidence. But a little bit of speed will make everything easier. So let's try it. So first of all, the first thing to do is just to touch your toes and just to feel that. And then once you start to feel it, you can lower your bottom and get into the crouch position. So the next stage is to do the same thing, but this time we're going to put our leg out. So let's do it together. So a little bit of speed, down into the crouch, and then you've got to transfer your weight to one foot and lift. So you can hold your leg, you can put your arms out, or you can do the shoot the duck, which is like that. The hardest bit of this trick is to get the weight all onto one foot so you can release the free leg so it can come up. So a really good way to get the feeling of that transfer is to do some marching, which helps you feel that. So if you did a bit of marching first, then went down, you can feel how you've got to get all that weight across. It's not easy. You'll probably fall on your bottom a few times, but wear your wrist guards, helmet, knee pads, keep yourself safe. It's really fun when you get it. Sorry to interrupt your lesson for just a quick moment to talk about the fabulous t-shirts. You may have noticed I've been wearing this in a number of our recent videos, and they are available to purchase on Amazon. And if you do make a purchase, you'll be supporting our channel. Let's get back to your lesson. So the last piece of this skill is to get back up again. So all you need to do is to bring the leg back in, back to 2 feet, and stand up. Now, if you have thighs of steel, you can get up on the one leg.
Thighs of steel.
But that's optional. Let me show you how to do it. So I go down, one leg, and then I'm going to put 2 legs back in and just stand up. Nice and easy. Now, it's really tempting with this one to take your knee pads off because they do restrict your knees when you go down. But this is a hard trick to save because you're already very close to the ground. So if you happen to put your weight a little bit too far forward and that toe stop catches, You need your knee pads so you've got somewhere to bail to so you don't hurt yourself. I hope you've really enjoyed learning this new skill, and remember the most important thing is to have fun and enjoy your skating journey. I'm Katie, you've been watching Skatey, and I'll see you next time. Bye! I hope you've had lots of fun enjoying, hope you've had lots of fun, I hope you've had lots of fun in learning this new, why can't I speak? Learning. Okay. I hope you've really enjoyed, see I keep doing this and it's like I'm like doing like a mime or something. I don't know what's wrong with my hands. What's wrong with my hands today?
Oh.